In this video, we will discover what are the default values and how to set them. The default values are values which will be generated automatically when a line is created. They will be assigned either to a view or to a table. Assign a default value to a view allows to have different ones in the same table depending on the view you are in. On the contrary, if you assign them to a table, they will be the same for all views. The easiest way to create a default value is as follows. Create a line, choose the values you want set as default, then right-click on the line and select Set as Default. Choose the assignment either the view or the table. All the lines that will be generated will have the default value you have chosen. Another way to set them up is to go to the table options and click on Edit Default Values. Here you will have a form in which you can fill in the cells with the values you want. Namely, in a date field, you have an option to have the creation date of the line by default. If you have a view with filters, the new lines created from this view will have the filtered values by default. For example, here I have a view that will filter the tag by family. If I create a new line in this view, then the tag will automatically be family. We will now look at an example of a default value assigned to views. I want my new lines in the employee view to be the active status and that my new lines in the family view are inactive. So I go to the employees view and then to the view settings. And I select Set Default Values. I choose here the active status. I perform the same operation in the family view with the status inactive. We will now check the result. If I create a new row in the default view, there is no status. In the family view, the status will be inactive, and in the employee view, the status will be active.